Hello guys, how can you make a duotone double exposure effect in Photoshop? First of all, go to the layer panel and unlock the background layer. Now go to adjustment layer, select solid color and choose black. After that, press Ctrl-J to create a copy of your original image layer. Press Ctrl-T and adjust the position or scale of that copied layer. Now go to blending options of the copied layer. Turn off the G, green, and B, blue, channels, and keep only the R, red channel on. Adjust the position by dragging the copied layer to create the offset effect. Next, select the original image layer again and open blending options. This time, turn off the R channel and keep G and B channels on. Now press Ctrl-T. Select Flip Horizontal and drag the layer slightly to adjust the alignment. Make final adjustments until both colors overlap perfectly and create that clean duotone double exposure look. And that's it! Your duotone double exposure effect is ready.